Hi! Hello everyone! Today I'm happy to share with you what fits inside my Hiraya at Sinag Eladia bag. So first, this bag is from the brand called Hiraya at Sinag, and I was able to do initial impressions and unboxing or unbagging of this one and just link it up here in case you're interested in watching it. So first, this bag is made from pandan leaves. It is created here in the Philippines. It is a weave bag that is made from pandan leaves, and it is made by Filipino artisans. And this bag is really very beautiful in my opinion, and it looks very classy as well, simple and classy. So I'll quickly show you that my Bath and Body Works Sweet Pea 8 ounce bottle fits perfectly standing up. So I'll just show that quickly. So what I have placed in this bag from Aldo, I will transfer it in this bag to let you know that they almost have the same capacity. So I already did what is in my bag in this Aldo Gallerini dome satchel, and just link it up as well in case you haven't seen it yet. And now let's open this and let's transfer the contents of this bag to this bag. So this is just a simple bag. It has one big opening, big compartment, and one pocket area. Zippered pocket that can be, I think my phone would fit there perfectly. Let's see if my notebook would fit inside that zippered area. So first, I have here my notebook. This is my Victoria's Journal notebook where I place my channel's ideas and contents research. So it can't fit inside, but it's still a big pocket. So I'll just put it right here at the back, not in the zippered area because it wouldn't fit there. And then I have here my pouch where I keep my small essentials. I have here my Gloss Boss. This is my current favorite lip gloss, and the color is called the Diamond. This is just a shine, lip shine. I have here this is my cable bracelet that is from the brand Iba Ito. In case you don't need it, you turn it into a bracelet, cable bracelet. Very nice and very unique idea. Then I have here my hair tie, another hair tie. I also have here my Lucas Papaw ointment. Very useful and very effective. So I have here my chapstick mental stick. Those are not sponsored, by the way. I just use them and they really are very effective to me. And some emergency medicines. Also have here my thermometer with a band-aid at the back, and then of course my angel, my medallion of Saint Raphael, my angel. And then I have here a pin for my phone. I just quickly show them to you what's inside this thin pouch from Daisy Rose, from their tote bag that looks like the Neverfull from Louis Vuitton. So this is just a thin pouch, and then I'll just quickly put it right here. I think I would want to put it horizontally. And then I have here my Victoria's Journals, a small purse notebook. I bet this fits at the back. Yes, it does. Just put it on the front instead. And then I have here my iridescent or holographic pouch which houses all of my pens, writing materials. I also have here my phone case, so I'll try to fit my phone at the back, and it fits. And then I have here my Parfa wallet, zippered wallet, and it fits inside of this bag as well. Just try to see. No more inside my bag. I'll just transfer my keys. So on the zippered pocket, and also emergency small tissue pack. And then I also have here my card holder. Just put it also on this area where I can easily reach it. So that's the inside. I think I can still fit some other things in case I wanted to bring more things, but this is what I have inside. Just move it a bit. The phone will just go right here so that I can close it. Move it around. Let's see first. There. There. So this is now my Eladia bag. I really wish they have placed some zippered or pocket on this area that I can easily make use of things that I want to reach right away. That is the bag, and almost the same capacity as this Aldo Gallini bag. So that is what's inside my Hiraya Sinag Eladia bag. I really hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time.